And this is the two-story nightclub. Okay, this is the bottom floor, naturally. And this is actually going to become the chef's table. And then what they're going to do is make a ceiling above us here, and that will become a one-story nightclub. And I'm not sure if they're doing this on all the Spirit class ships, but they are doing it on this one, and I'm sure it's going to be done on all of them. Now, if you go on the Miracle, there's a big, giant Frankenstein that stands up right here. And this will be the only part of the nightclub left. Is the top story off of deck 2. Again, deck 1 downstairs. The next thing to go is going to be changed. Is right here in the casino. The casino bar is going to be history. That's going to be probably slot machines and maybe even some more tables, but the bar is disappearing. The next thing to go here is the sports bar. The sports bar, which is right next to the casino on deck 2. The Skybox Sports Bar is going to become the Heroes Lounge. Still going to have TVs, they said, and still the bar, but they're going to rename it to the Heroes Lounge, and this is going to happen fleet-wide. All sports bars will become the Heroes Lounge. Another thing that's going to be changing is all the carpet on board. All the mattresses in the rooms will be exchanged, and that's all I know at this point.